How do you write an opening scene of a film that grabs attention from the very first moment? The first scene is your story's handshake. It sets the tone, the world, and the energy for everything that follows. So it needs to do more than just begin the plot. A great opening scene does three things. It hooks the audience, it shows what kind of story this is, and it makes us curious to see what happens next. Start with movement and not explanation. Don't open with backstory or long descriptions. Show us something happening right now that tells us who we are watching and why it matters. For example, an alarm blares, a woman sprints through a crowded street clutching a briefcase. We don't know who she is or what is inside, but we are hooked. Your first page should raise questions and not answer them. Who is she? What is she running from? That curiosity keeps people reading. The tone of your opening should also match the film. So if it is a comedy, then make us smile early. If it is a thriller, then build tension from the very first beat. The opening is your promise to the audience about what kind of experience they are in for. And make sure that we meet your protagonist quickly. Even if the story opens on something unrelated, it should still connect to the theme emotionally, thematically, or visually. Finally, end the opening with a moment of change, something that shifts direction or sets the story in motion. The best openings don't just start the story, they ignite it. That is how to write a strong opening scene. And if you want a simple, affordable way to actually write your opening scene and everything that comes after it, there is a 10-day screenwriting course linked in the description. It's only $10 AUD. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.